So today I wanted to add some of these book corners to my Maggie Holmes books, and it's kind of awesome because I recently received a bunch of these book corners from BeebeeCraft to try out, and I'm really excited. They look awesome on the corner, and I just kind of wanted to show you how I add these. Really nice. Okay, so you're gonna need some flat nose. These are jewelry tools, the flat ones, and mine have a little no, not really, these ones don't. Okay, so these are pretty good. I have a couple that have like little bumps in here, and I try not to use those because I don't want to mess up my metal. And then I have a piece of scrap fabric. Especially if I were to use the tools that have the little bumps, I don't want that to have the impression on my metal. All right, so with these, they're already started for you, and my book is a little bit, the cardboard of my book is a bit thicker, so I'm just gonna take my pliers? I don't know, that doesn't seem like that's what these are. My Crafty tool, and I'm going to just kind of pull this up a little bit so that, you see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of bending the metal back so that it will fit snugly on my corner. I might have to do a little bit more. And you may or may not have to do this depending on the thickness of your book. All right, so that looks good, nice and flush. And then this is when I use my fabric. So I'm gonna do this side first. So I'm gonna pull it tight, and then I'm gonna push carefully, but kind of give it a nice smush with my pliers, since I don't know what they're called. And then I'm gonna pull it on this side and do the same thing over here. There we go. Make sure it's in place. Might need a little another squeeze. Well, it looks great. Pretty simple. The other reason I like to use book corners on journals where I've attached or have fabric on the inside, and if I didn't quite miter my corner correctly, it's nice that this can kind of hide a little imperfection if you have it. And it just makes it look finished. I think it looks awesome. So yeah, pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the rest of the corners for this book, and I'll speed you up. All right, and there we go. They look great. All right, this is a super short video today to kind of help if you haven't done book corners before. If you have, do you love using them? What are your thoughts? Did I miss anything that I should have mentioned? All right, let me know in the comments. All right, have a great crafty day. Bye-bye.